Hi and welcome to Outwell. Here I'm going to talk you through the features of our Newport L from our Discovery collection. You can see that it's a tunnel design tent and it's aimed to sleep up to 5 people. With it being in our Discovery collection, you'll find the fabric of the Flysheet is our Outtex 3000 material, which is PU coated on the inside, and then all of the seams have been taped as well, and it has a hydrostatic head of 3000mm, ensuring that it is completely waterproof. The frame that we use on here is actually fully concealed with these full-length flat pole sleeves, but the poles that we're using, you can just see here, are Duratec fiberglass poles, so nice and strong fiberglass poles here. And as I say, with full-length flat pole sleeves, you'll find that there's a sleek and streamlined look to the tent, but also it adds to the stability as well. Other features then on the outside, we can see that we have our luminous guylines all the way around the tent, just to hopefully stop you tripping over them quite as easily. And then each of these has its own retainer, so when it comes to packing down the tent, we can simply take the guy line, wrap it up in our hands and pop it into the retainer so that the next time we come to use it, the guy lines are easily accessible. Another feature on here is the easy pegging system. This is where we're supplying you with 3 different types of pegs for the tent, including the solid steel pegs for the corners of the tent, and these become the anchor pegs. Then we have the luminous plastic pegs for the luminous guy lines all the way around the tent, and the black plastic peg for all the other pegging points. So really just ensuring that you get the right peg in the right place. You'll just notice there is a large side door on this tent, but when we wander around to the front, you'll see that we have the door fully opened. Now this door actually has 4 zippers on it, so when it's fully closed, we can locate 2 of the zippers at the top and open it, and we can then create a good sized vent if you want to. You'll also just notice that there is a large window on the front door as well. A really unique feature on this tent is that from front to back you actually have a double layered tent here. So we have a full inner tent right from the front to the back, and what this does is reduces any condensation. So taking you through some of the features on the inside, you'll find that we have these handy storage pockets just here, which are great for any of your possessions. At the top of the inner tent you'll see that we have this lantern hanging point, and then leading away from that we have cable tidies running down to where you'll find our cable entry point. This is great because you can bring in the electrics through here rather than having any cables running through any open doors. You'll also just see here that we have a bathtub style ground sheet in this inner tent, and it is fully sealed all the way around. It's a double coated polyethylene material, so really heavy duty, and it has a minimum hydrostatic head of 10,000mm. You can see here we have this large side door with a large window on here, and at the moment obviously we have the inner tent rolled open, and that's stowed away into this handy pocket just here. At the back of the tent is where you'll find the bedrooms, and you can see that we have some handy mesh storage pockets on the front here, again great for smaller personal possessions. Then the doors of the bedrooms have some mesh panels across the top. Inside the bedrooms you'll find more storage pockets, and we also then have large ventilation panels across the back which correspond to outside ventilation on the tent. You can also see that we have this separating sheet in between the 2 bedrooms, and what we can do here is roll that up and toggle it away to create one large bedroom. And also you'll notice here a unique feature in these bedrooms is that we have this side exit. You can also see that we have a large window on this side of the tent here, and this window does have a curtain which is currently toggled halfway up, but obviously this can be fully closed. Optional extras for this tent include the carpet that you can see in the living area, and there's also a footprint available for more protection under the ground sheet as well. So that's all the features of our Newport L. Thanks very much for watching.